मुरगांव बंदरांत आतां मेरेन 132.69 मेट्रीक टन कोळशाची हाताळणी जाल्या, जाल्यार 131.53 मेट्रीक टन खण माल मुरगांव बंदरांत हाताळ्ळा। 2012 उपरांत गोंयांत खणी बंद पडिल्ल्यान खण मालाची हाताळणी सामकीच कमी जाल्ल्यान कोळशाची हाताळणी वाडली। 2010 ते आतां 2024 ह्या 14 वर्सांचो आंकडेवारी पळयत जाल्यार मुरगांव बंदरांत कोळशाची हाताळणी वर्सान वर्स वाडत आशिल्ल्याचें दिसून येता। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
फाटल्या 14 वर्सांची आंकडेवारी पळयली जाल्यार मुरगांव बंदरात कोळशाची हाताळणी सेगीतपणान वाडिल्ली दिश्टी पडटा। कोळशाच्या प्रदूषणाक लागून वास्कोच्या लोकांनी जायती आंदोलनां केली। मुरगांव बंदरातली कोळसो हाताळणी 50% मेरेन कमी करतले, तशेंच क्रूज पर्यटनाक चालना दिवन ग्रीन कार्गो हाताळणेक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाचें आश्वासन मुख्यमंत्री दोतर प्रमोद सावंतान दिल्ले खरे, पूण फाटल्या 14 वर्सांची कोळसो हाताळणी पळयली जाल्यार मुरगांव बंदरात वर्सान वर्स कोळसो हाताळणी वाडत आशिल्ल्याचें दिसून येता। मुरगांव बंदराचो अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर एन विनोद कुमार सांगता ते प्रमाण भारताक कोळशाची गरज आसा। ताका लागून कितलो कोळसो हाडप हें आमी थारोवंक शकना। तो केंद्राचो विशय। देशांत 200 परस चड पॉवर प्लांट कोळशाचेर चलतात। दुसरे वटेन वास्को जावपी कोळसो प्रदूषण आडपात हाडपाचेर आमचे यत्न सुरू आसा। कितलो कोळसो हाडप हें आमच्या हातीन नाशिल्ल्याचें तो फुडें सांगता।
So if you ask me how many power plants are in the country which is based on coal, I think over 200. There are over 200 power plants in the country depending on coal, producing 73% of the power which we require. So when you ask, do we need coal or not? So that is the thing. It is not that port wants to import coal. It is the country needs coal today because 73% of the power generation is from coal.
Okay, so does the
But then let me complete. Should we reduce it? Yes, we should try to reduce it. Second, as you said, that because it is required, then what can we do? Reduce the impact of the pollution to the maximum possible level by bringing in the best technology. And today, when you go to the port, you can see our port is one of the major ports in the country which has state-of-the-art kind of a piped conveyor belts, the automatic silo loading, everything, entire technology to reduce the coal pollution to the barest possible, thing. That is.
so the MPT plans to reduce the coal handling or something? Is there any plans or to increase something?
Again, what is the port's role in the? We are at the center of the logistics chain, the trade. What the country requires will be imported. What the country is producing will be, which is required by other countries, will be exported. Actually, the port has no say on reduce karna hai, nahi karna hai. It is the country's requirement. I would like to personally export jasmine flowers, but then it may not be kind of possible because I don't decide, Deputy Chairman, none of us decide what is to be exported and imported. It is the trade which decides. We as a port have to facilitate that export-import process. If all of us, if we together decide we need only 6 hours of power supply in our house, I think we can all decide and then we can kind of. Otherwise, we consciously try to improve our renewable energy sources. Like we are coming up with a 3 megawatt solar power plant, which will be the single largest power plant in the state.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर गौरेश गांवकार।